Hi guys! For today's video ay meron naman po tayong isang website na kung saan ay nag-hire po sila ng mga transcriptionist, translator. So ito po ang Lanan Online Services. So they are hiring with transcription, translation, captioning, subtitling, audio description, typing, voiceover, and video services. So from transcription, audio transcription, podcast, meeting, workshops, calls, radio ads, and video transcription, e-learning, marketing and advertising, films, social media, academic transcription, seminars, webinars, lectures, I think academic transcription, research interviews, and legal transcription, trials, depositions, hearings, wiretaps, interrogations, and certified transcription, legal proceeding, law enforcement, educational content. So submit the industry leader in language services. We are a team of professionals leading the language services, also dedicated to providing top-notch integrated language services. So let's read about. So we work with experienced and skilled language professional. So about us, Lanan Services was established over a decade ago with a vision to provide highly comprehensive language services to people and business across the globe. Thousands of clients have benefited from our services, and we have grown to be preferred partner to integrated language solution. Our core features include unparalleled professionalism, competitive rates, and high quality result. We aim to help individuals and organizations thrive in the digital age by providing them with the right recipe of success. So let's search with how to apply in Lanan Services. So here, okay. Join us and be a part of our enthusiastic team. Okay, due to the overwhelming number of applicants we've received recently, we are not currently accepting new applicants. Our team is diligently reviewing and evaluating all submission. However, we invite you to still submit your details through career form. New applicants, but they invite us or you to still submit your details through to their career form. So let's click the apply now. So what you should put your name, last name, and email ID, country, zip code, phone number and city, state street address, nationality, source language, target language, rate per word. So experience in translation, year of experience. We also provide transcription services. So this is most of the question. So let's write about your experience in detail, and then click the agree to term and condition. And let's click the transcription. Experience in detail. So let us subtitling. Okay, set captioning card. Okay, rate per hour. Write about your experience in details. So, yun lang. And you can visit their site. Kahit hindi na sila tumatanggap ng new applicant. But, malay, visit their website and then fill up the form and then apply na. So, I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you!